how to install the Facebook pixel in your funnel.
Are you listening? Damn.
Hi and welcome in this Facebook Ads Manager video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Facebook pixel in your funnel, how you're going to create an ad to attract people to your funnel, and how you set up custom audiences so people who visited your web page are caught in a special group so you can market to them later on with special ads or videos or anything. So let's get started. If you have a Facebook account, that's very easy. You go to facebook.com/ads/manager and you probably have your account. You can see here I have a few accounts with some money I spent, and you might have this, and otherwise I'll ask you to open the business manager. If you see this, you go to business manager because you're a business and that's where you manage your ads for your business. So it's easier to have all the accounts separated, and on the ads manager, the previous ads manager, it's just for your personal account. So we don't want that, we want a professional account. So go to business.facebook.com, sign up. There's a few steps you need to follow, and then you go to business settings. You can sign up there. Don't show you all the info. You can see the account on the side and you see the pages, and then you click on the plus, and we're going to add the page that we just created. There it is. Add page. Okey-dokey. After that you need to select the page and give people permission for that page. So you should hook up an ads account to that page. So your ads account needs to be set up here. If you don't have an ad account, just click this plus. You add an ad account or create a new one. You can do the same with your Instagram account. You just click on this little button here and you just connect your Instagram account. It's really self-explanatory, but now is all the cool stuff. You click on the business settings, you click on all tools, and you go to pixel. Because pixel is a little bit of code, and if you ever wondered why, if you're looking for holidays, all of a sudden you see the same holiday or hotel or thing you wanted to buy all over Facebook and everything, it's just following you around. So after that you see Elephant Jewels. I installed a pixel on that and on this account. Now I'm gonna make a new Facebook pixel, and that's gonna be the Wealth Rockstar pixel. So you can have up to 10 pixels in your business account. You create this one. After that you get a teeny tiny bit of code. Don't freak out, it's really easy. You just copy the code and I'll show you exactly where to paste the code in your funnel. So manually install the code yourself. Blah de blah de blah de blah. Use advanced matching. Use an identifier. Blah de blah de blah. Code pixel. Blah. Don't use that, just copy the code. Then you go into your funnel, which is this one. Then you go to settings. You got the header tracking code, and that's where you paste the entire pixel code. Without changing it, don't make any changes to the code. Let me see where the code went. The bottom of the header section, just above the head. So that's what we did. We installed it just above the header. After you've done that, you need to find the code again, send test traffic to your pixel, So don't forget to hit save and update. After that we go back. We'll type the entire URL, so Facebook is gonna check if everything's okay. Rockstar.com. Send test traffic. Okay. Test traffic, okay. And then you go and click continue. Then you can get the events you like to track. So if somebody opts in, that's a lead. So generate lead. You can do tracking. And this little bit of code, you can even say, oh, that's a value of $10. Everybody who signs up is $5 value to me. I don't actually do that. I just copy this code. And go to the actual page. So if they seen this page, the thank you page, then I'm gonna say inside the page. Just give it a minute. It's because the screencast is running. So you go to settings, you click on tracking code, and then you add that little bit of code there. So you want to track if there's a lead. After that, you save it again. Now, there's one issue. If you have a split test, which I do, I run this page versus this page. So I need to add the split test as well. Although I'm running 100% of the traffic there, I still want my tracking and my pixel to be correct on every page. So tracking code, and so tracking, that's it, done. And now you can track everybody who's visited your website and everybody who's visited the past 180 days. You can still track. So if somebody visited the first 3 days after their visit, you can send one video out to them from, hey, you didn't sign up, this and this. After 3 days, you send out a different video on Facebook with ads, and I'm going to show you that in another video because I want to do it step by step and not to be all overwhelming. This is how you install the pixel. And then we go back to our Facebook. Then you can see if you have a sales funnel and there's a different page, maybe an order page or a thank you page, or you can even do it on the bootcamp page. But you can see if that's an order page and they hit the confirmation page, you can mark it as a purchase. And then you say, my purchase, this event was $100. And then it starts adding up the actual sales in Facebook. So it's awesome for your stats. But for now, it's only generating leads. You're almost done. I am done. After this, you have set up your pixels. And now you want to create some custom audiences. So you want to see who visited your landing page and then visited the thank you page. So you know everybody who didn't visit the thank you page just seen the page without opting in, and you can send them a messenger message from, hey, was there any kind of issue? Let me know and I help you. And that is going to increase conversions dramatically. Custom audience. You must first assign a pixel to an ad account in your business manager. Let's go back to the business manager. Event manager. Let me just refresh. So this is just the entire week of the entire page. Now we need to go to business settings, and it said add the pixel to your business manager. So I'll show you that as well. Go to pages. Pages, Wealth Rockstar. And in there it should have a pixel. Data sources, pixel. So you add the pixel which you just created. Or you select the pixel that you just created. You assign the assets to the people. Add people. That's me. Save. After that, you add the ad account that is assigned to that pixel. That's this one. If you have any issues with setting this up, just go into the Facebook group. If you didn't do that, you're kind of stupid. Didn't mean stupid, but you should have already signed up, so I can help you if you got any issues. After that, we go back to pixels. So like I said, this is the best way to create your audience. You're creating an audience of all the people who already seen your website. Plus all the people who already opted in. Plus maybe people who opted in and bought something later on. So after that, we're gonna install some audiences. Custom audiences. Takes a long time now. I think it's stuck. Okay. Create a custom audience. So that's like a bucket where you put all the people in who visited your website, and that's your audience. That's cool. Then later on you can create a lookalike audience, and that's an audience that's very, very, very similar to your audience who's proven to buy or who's proven to opt in. So for now we do create a custom audience from the website traffic. If you have an email list, you can upload that there as well. You will create a custom audience for Wealth Rockstar. Now you need to go to the funnel pages. So if you have a split test, always use the top page to send traffic to. So we start with the first page and the domain. So everybody who visited this website. All website visitors who visited specific web pages. So the URL must contain, so that's everybody who's seen the website. So, and also, that's if it must have had this page and also the other page. But if you have a split test, I always like to do the double whammy. Because if it has this page, where the heck did it go? Yeah, we'll just drag it over here. So, and the URL contains blah blah blah. Or URL contains. It's just to be sure, because it works with this as well, so just leave it like that then. Now this is for everybody who's seen the opt-in page. This is one way to do it. If you want to gather everybody who opted in, then you do everybody who reached the thank you page. So then you need the URL from the thank you page, which is this one. So if people reached this, people opted in. And you can see, name it as well, Rockstar opt-in business in the box. Opt-in leads, I'm gonna say. Everybody who opted in and seen the thank you page of Rockstar. Make it as easy as possible on yourself, because you're never gonna remember what it was. You can set the days to 180. I always say it must, if you want the first page and the second page, so the opt-in page and the thank you page, it should meet any all the criteria. If you have like me the split test going on, it should meet any criteria. So either one split test or the other, and it should still count. But if you do it like this, this is everybody who hit this page. Let me do and this one. worldrockstar.com/hotkey. So we'll do this. So reach this page or this page. And then you agree on the terms and you create the audience. So now it starts building the audience, and later on when you come back, now it's populating, so everybody has been visiting that website the last 180 days. It's going to show up in here. So later on I can say, click this audience and create an ad, or create a lookalike, or do anything. You can share. You can show overlaps. I'm going to show you how to target and do research on Facebook, but that's something for a different video, because otherwise it takes too long. We're going to create another custom audience. These are all leads, and these are people who visited this page. Rockstar.com. Contains blah blah blah, but did not, so you exclude the thank you page. So here you click the thank you page. Or once again you can do the split test there, or as training. But you can leave it like this. So in the past 180, make this the past 180 again. After that, you can see audience name. Seen the page but didn't opt in. Well, Rockstar no opt-in. Seen, but didn't opt-in. So these are now populating. When you refresh the page, you might even already see some numbers in there. I don't think so. It always takes a while. But after this, I'm going to show you how you can actually set up your ad, create your targeting, how to select people you want for your offer. How do you select somebody who actually spends money on Facebook, who's actually looking for your offer? How do you target people like that? Do you just say, I want everybody between 25 and 65? Wouldn't do that. So a little bit of research we're going to do in the next video. But no, I hope you followed through. You've done all the actions I did. You created your audience, you place your pixel, and you should do this really quick before you start really getting traffic from your solo ads. So join the Facebook group. If you have any questions, hit me up with a message, and I'll see you in the next video.